Building a website for your personal training business doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your personal training service. Now, if you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There's a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, personal trainer. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Put in your business name, your city, your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click on continue, Marty Sites will work its magic and creates a simple website for your business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of yourself in action with your customers and your clients. You want to showcase it on your websites, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Let your customers know how you started on this fitness journey, got into the industry. You can easily make changes on the Marty Sites platform. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my customer's convenience. We want to make sure that that's visible on our website. So let's go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. Maybe you are a mobile personal trainer, but if you have a physical location, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links. Put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Marty Sites website, so your customers can give you a follow, get some engagement going on your social profiles. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil over there, over it. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo and make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website, so you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on the little icon, paint bucket, bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palette options to choose from. There are so many options. Love that. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, click on that button, update section. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device to upload your very own images or search through the photo library. As you can see, there's literally hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a profile and pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons, so you can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file over here, maybe with your different packages and rates for your personal training services. You can even link to another website. If you take online bookings, pop in the URL over there. Now, in the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, well, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your area. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain by the Marty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Marty Sites platform for your personal training business. If you have any questions, pop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.